welcome to East Mojo. We are coming to you from Khanapara area in Guwahati, where the Bharat Joro Nyaya Yatra will commence shortly from now. As you can see behind me, a large number of Congress supporters have gathered here. They are waiting for the arrival of Mr. Rahul Gandhi, who is heading the Bharat Joro Nyaya Yatra, and it is only moments away that the Yatra will commence. However, there has been a lot of to and back and forth going on among administration officials and the supporters of Congress here. Initially, the rally was planned to go through Guwahati city. However, it has now been diverted towards the highway. So, well, it is still unclear whether the rally will continue towards the city or to go towards the highway. We've been told that the rally will commence from here, Khanapara, and then it will move towards Beharwari area and then culminate at Amingao area. We'll try to speak some of the officials here. I'm being joined by Ms. Babita Sharma, Congress leader. Ma'am, the rally was initially planned through Guwahati city. However, now it has been diverted. So what is
it has been diverted, and also we have not been allowed to go inside the city. Today is a holiday, and the CM had said during holiday it will be allowed, but we have not been allowed. We are standing here. We are not even allowed to stand on the highway. We have been pushed ahead. So we said we have got permission from Koinadhara, and this is Koinadhara, but the police were not allowing us. But we refused to go. We will stand peacefully here, and we urge the government not to harass us anymore.
Okay, so there has been a lot of back and forth going on. Yesterday we saw Rahul Gandhi was not allowed to enter Badarwatan. Before that, Mr. Bhupen Bora was attacked, and now this is happening in Guwahati. What do you have to say regarding this?
The political atmosphere has been vitiated. This is the first time, I think, in the history of Assam politics when the head of the political party of a Congress party has been attacked by the BJP, by the government in power. So this is not good at all. It's like criminalization of politics, and also the fact that we have been harassed at every step. Rahul Gandhi ji's yatra had started from the south, and he had crossed many BJP states, but nowhere was so much of commotion, so much of harassment, so much of violence on the yatra had been done, except in Assam.
So what are the plans as of now? So are you going to try to head towards the city, or are you going to stick to the highway?
No, that is for let the leaders come here, then we'll decide what to do. And we are law-abiding citizens. We will abide by law, but this is unjust, because yesterday we saw that a lot of motorbikes were allowed within the city. There was a huge rally of motorbikes, but why them and why not us? That is the main question.
Thank you so much for speaking to us. Well, that was Babita Sharma, Congress leader from Assam here. Well, they are saying that it is unjust towards the party that they are not being allowed to carry out the rally peacefully. However, and also, moments ago we were near the Science Museum, the APSC building, where a lot of supporters of the BJP and administration officials had gathered here. You can see a large number of security officials have also been put in place, security setup, including Assam police officials and central forces have been placed here. And a large number of people have gathered here who are supporters of Congress. Now they are waiting for for the arrival of Rahul Gandhi, and after that the proceedings will take place, they'll decide whether the rally will go towards the city. However, like we spoke to Babita Sharma, what she mentioned is that they will abide by the law. They will not create any law and order situation and stick to the norms that have been provided by the government. This is a developing story, and we will continue bringing you more updates as the day progresses. With camera person Mukund Medhi, I am Kalyan Dev for East Mojo from Guwahati.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to East Mojo. For any queries, put them down in the comments section below and press on the bell icon for notifications.